Good evening, parents and guests, and welcome to Eastlake Middle School's open house. I'd like to take this time to review the student video conferencing guidelines during distance learning. For students, they will be required to turn on their video camera during attendance check-in. Students' actions in an online synchronous live class meeting are governed by all the same rules that exist when attending school in person. These guidelines are produced for all student safety and well-being in an online environment. Students can, however, opt out of video during synchronous live instruction. Students cannot record any teacher or student image, name, voice, or personal information with school or personal equipment. That includes taking screenshots as well as posting information online. Lastly, for students, all chat, text on a video conference is recorded and subject to all school rules. Parents, again, I want to thank you for attending tonight. I want to wish all of you a wonderful evening and also a wonderful rest of the